Right off the bat, the boxing looks real good. So far, so good. So let's see what they look like and how they're packed. Okay. Those could have been packed a little bit better. Loose on top, separated by a piece of cardboard. Let's see what they look like. No scratches. The finish looks good. Now those look good. Yeah, these look good so far. So let's dig a little deeper. Okay. Yeah, they could have packed them a little bit better, a little tighter. All they have is cardboard separating the pieces. So this is one of them. Then you got a piece of cardboard separating the other one. And there's the other one. So could have been packed a little better. Had a little rattle in the box, I noticed, if you shook it hard. They feel good. The finish feels good. Good and smooth, shiny. So far, so good. And they feel pretty thick where it's crushed right here. Let me see what that is. All that is the tube, the round tube being crushed. So I can tell you what the thickness of the tubing is just by measuring this, because that's just crushed flat. That's the tube crushed flat. So let's see what that is in comparison. I've got that zeroed out. .34 thousandths. So that's a little over a quarter-inch. So divide that by half. That would be about an 1/8 inch, a little over an 1/8 inch thick wall for the tubing. I don't know what Harley's is. I would like to know that. But I would say it's probably similar, because that seems good to me. A little over an 1/8 inch seems good to me. And I can tell they've got some weight to them, so they're not cheap. Let's see what this one looks like. They come with these tip guards, which most of them came off during shipping. No scratches. Looks good. Finish feels really good. Finish feels really good. Same thickness. So yeah, that's a quarter-inch. So 1/8 inch thick wall tubing is what they use. Guarantee it. Actually, it wasn't that hard. This side was a lot. I didn't show this side because it's the same as the other side. And I'll tell you, it went a lot quicker and easier. This side definitely went better. I'll show you the bag guards installed, the clearances. And like I said, these are Eagle Skull bag guards. And they're going to protect my bags real good. I can tell. The finish on these I really like. I wasn't expecting such a smooth, good finish. It is a really good finish. Here's the other side that you saw me do. Clearances are perfect. I mean, it really turned out good. So So that's done. I tell you, problem is today is I chose a 95-degree day to do it, but it's done. So hope you guys found this informative. If you ever go to do it, it's really not hard. It's just a little bit hard to get to some of the bolts, and it would be much easier if it wasn't 95 degrees out. My next project's going to be to put, this is my BMW F800 GSA. My next project is going to be to put handlebar risers on it. I've got rocks, 2-inch risers, the ones that the pivoting risers ordered for it. I took this on the Scar. I've got a video on that. I went on the Scar route. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. But a lot of fun. The Scar route goes all the way around South Carolina. But that's going to be the next project, putting bar risers on that. I noticed standing up that I needed a little bit more up and back towards me, and even sitting down. This tank bag kind of interferes a little bit with me standing up. It's a little bit too big, but I need it to store stuff in it. But that'll do it for this video. If you're thinking about bag guards, Eagle Skull, I tell you, I can't complain about the brand, and they're cheaper than Harley's. I think I paid $158 maybe for them, and they're high quality. I can tell the finish is perfect on them. But anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal, and we'll see you next time. Peace.